in just less than 2 weeks after you've seen what happened in the national capital, the national capital witnessed some shocking violence in the name of a peaceful protest. The farmers for the longest time told us that, listen, this is just about Kisan laws, this is just about the farmers, and listen, we will not have any violence. This will be a peaceful protest. But you saw anything but that. The farmers now are all set to hold what they call a Chakka Jam on Saturday. The Kisan Union leaders have promised that the protest will be peaceful and they will not breach the borders of the national capital. But as I said, they have made this promise before and they have flouted it. But will the Kisan leaders even keep their promise as New Delhi recuperates from the 26 January violence? This is an important question that we'll take an assurance on. And I want to know, for how long can we let the anarchy continue on the streets of Delhi? Let's put out the entire story and then we debate.
11 days after nation witnessed violence on the streets of the national capital, a siege laid to the Red Fort, and an insult to our tricolour, the Kisan unions are gearing up for nationwide Chakka Jam.
ये जो चक्का जाम की कल 6 फरवरी की बात हो रही है,
वो होगी शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से रहेगा। वो पूरे देश में जो किसान यहाँ पर नहीं आ पा रहे, तो वे लोग अब अपने वहाँ पर कर लेंगे और लोग उस अपनी पब्लिक से अपनी बात।
लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि 26 जनवरी की तरह कहीं
नहीं कुछ नहीं ना।
On Saturday, the farmer leaders have called for a 3-hour Chakka Jam from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. in protest of farm laws. Though they have promised not to block the national capital, the law enforcement agencies are leaving no stone unturned.
जो आंदोलन कर रही हैं वो हमारे दिल्ली के सीमा के बाहर अलग अलग राज्यों के इलाके में बैठे हुए हैं। हम लोग उन राज्यों के पुलिस के साथ कॉन्स्टेंटली हम उनके साथ समन्वय कर रहे हैं, कोऑर्डिनेशन में है। हमारी पुलिस फोर्स तमाम इस तरह से जो सेंसिटिव एंट्री पॉइंट्स हैं उसके ऊपर मौजूदगी रही।
Despite the threat to law and order situation, Congress has decided to back the protest.
किसानों की जो आंदोलन चल रहा है उसका पूरा समर्थन करना है और 6 तारीख को जो बंद की कॉल दे रखी है वो पार्टी उसका सहयोग करेगी।
Meanwhile, as the Congress tried to block the proceedings in the House, the government's response set the record straight.
दुनिया जानती है पानी से खेती होती है, खून से खेती सिर्फ कांग्रेस ही कर सकती है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी खून से खेती नहीं कर सकती।
In the run-up to the Saturday protest, security has been stepped up across the borders of Delhi.
I'll request my camera person to show you the kind of barricading and the security which has been put in place at the Ghazipur border. You can see the multiple layer barricading. Heavy barricading has been done here at the Ghazipur border. You can see the normal barricading laced with barbed wires, cemented barricading.
Will the Kisan unions keep their side of the promise? Let's debate.